Here is a simple way to make a composting toilet. Now we've got Timmy here, our kitty. He's supervising, but this is very simple. You can buy these bedside toilets on Lazada. It's similar to Amazon here in the Philippines. And this cost me about $20. And it's nice. Got a lid here, and you put those pellets in there, and that will help solidify the urine, but we won't really use that. You can always put deodorizer in there. Got a nice lid and a toilet seat. Now, it comes with this. But we don't want to use that. That's too close. So what we do, we have a homemade urine diverter. And you can buy these urine diverters. They're called specimen sample hats or specimen sample pans. See that? Real simple. They're about $3. All you got to do is drill a hole in the bottom, hook up a hose to it, and then put it in a container. You can choose any kind of container you want. I like the ones with the handle on it, so when you need to dump it, you can just easily dump it. And inside here, I've got a kitchen garbage can. Now I would put just on a base, maybe some Velcro, so it won't scoot around if you're going to be in a moving vehicle. And you can put your urine bottle in here. This one has a handle. This is perfect. And like I said, drill a hole in here, run your tube up there to the urine diverter, and now you've got a $22, very nice looking body. It even has this thing here on the side. You can put your paper in here, tissues, put your phone in here, because a lot of people can't go anywhere in life without their phone. They have it in their hand 24 hours a day, except when they're pooping. Or if you're handy, you can make a frame like this out of some plywood. Now, instead of just pooping in these buckets, I add a plastic bag and a little bit of sawdust in there. I don't keep it in there. As soon as I can get rid of it, I dump it out. But this is the trick. Now, for women, this is the ideal thing. But for men, I would just get a portable urinal. You can get one with a handle on it, or you can get a fancy one that goes in the wall. You can spend as much as a couple $100, or you can spend $20 or less, depending on where you buy these plastic urinals. Men, who wants to sit there and pee like a I don't know what you call it. Most men stand up when they pee, right? So this is okay for the women. If you're not going to pee, you just use that bucket. If you got a plastic bag, when you're done with your duty, wrap it up and get rid of it. If you have to pee and poop, there you go. That's for the women. How simple is that? And don't buy a urine diverter online. I've seen them going as much as $90 for a urine diverter. You can pick these up at any medical supply store for about $3. If you buy them in bundle, you could probably get them for less than that. Okay, that's it. Very simple.